Oh, in there. Now this side. Oh, this side's a little pushed a little bit. Oh, whoa. Get a little bit of a tap. We got winning. It doesn't feel like it's clipping in there very good. It's not clipping in there very good. It should just weld it like a mud truck. Why is that not in there very good?
It's broke?
Oh, that broke there, but it ain't fucking broke here. It ain't fucking a little bit more, one more little tappy. I don't know if I can. I think this clip is getting out of bent. The fucking squeeze it too much. I squoze it too many times. See, it's like it's gonna fucking not fall off. It's gonna rust, right?
Mm-hmm. Rust.
If it does fall off, fuck you, warranty it. Oh!
Oh.
I'm just gonna get that Zerk in there that's facing the wrong direction now.
Fine.
I've had to put Zerks in before, then take them out, and then put a plug in there before.
Because it's wrong?
Yeah, it hits.